Good morning everybody and welcome to day 31 of lockdown. Right, I'm just on the way to collect the camera, and if we've any footage from last night, that'll be the first time I've had 3 nights in a row where we've had footage of the fox. We've had 2 on occasion, we've had none, quite a lot. We've had 1, never had 3. Let's go and find out. I'm smelling the scent again round here. It was here yesterday morning, then in the evening it had gone, and now it's back again this morning. So this could potentially be another site for the camera. So that's what I've been doing recently. Whenever I've smelt the scent, I've placed the camera. So that's what I might do tonight, because I was wondering where I was going to put it tonight, but this could be the spot. Because of all the dry weather we've had and all the sunshine, you can see the ground is so dry and hard. There's very few spots where I could find any prints or fresh prints of Bel Air. That's a terrible joke for the early morning. So yeah, it's getting harder by the day to find fresh prints. Right, camera's way over there, so I'm gonna walk down this side and walk that way. There's the camera, and the bait's gone. The bait's gone again. Brilliant. That's really good. As well as the cocktail sausages, I put bird nuts down as well. And you can see there, it's fairly longish grass. There's loads of little divots and holes. And those nuts must drop into all sorts of little crevices. From what I can see, it's took every one. There's loads on the path, nothing there. They've all gone. It's really got a good nose for sniffing these things out. Brilliant, encouraging again. Could that be 3 nights in a row? So I'm just stood in the location now where we set the camera last night, just based on the scent that I picked up on a previous day. But did we get any footage for the 3rd night running? Should we take a look? 3 in a row. Get in. What about that? That was really cool. And not only did we catch the fox, we also caught it in colour about 5:30 this morning, just about half an hour before I arrived. And we also got a bonus rabbit as well. So yeah, really good night last night. So does that mean my tracking skills are... So the question is, are my tracking skills improving with what I've learnt from the previous videos, or have I just been really lucky? So whilst checking last night's video, the fox was in and around here, and then it moved off around there, did a bit of a loop, and then it went off through this gap here, just through there. Now, did it go in round here, around the back of the bushes, or did it carry on into that field there? Now this was about 5:30 in the morning. It was daylight, and it just makes me wonder, would the fox be that far away from its den at that time of the morning? So could it be it's on its way back about that time, heading back, and is the den somewhere around here? So that's what I need to investigate. So this is the direction I think the fox came in. So where did it go from here? Did it go in there? There's a possible little track through there, but I very much doubt it. Or has it carried on round here into this field and it's somewhere in here? Or is it even further afield than that? So what I plan to do tonight is put the camera somewhere around here, just to see if I can catch which way it goes. The only thing I'm worried about is the battery life on the camera. But I've got 90% left, but it did sort of stop for some reason last night, so I'll have to just see about that. I couldn't not film this tonight. Don't need to say anything. So I hope you enjoyed that one as much as I did. That's one of my favourites so far, I think, getting the colour footage. So if you did enjoy that, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button here, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.